Thinking Classroom Mediation is based in the UK and offers workplace mediation locally, nationally and internationally, both face-to-face and online. We're a team of experienced and nationally accredited mediators who all have senior or executive level experience in education. And although we specialise in this area, we offer a range of services to other public, private and charity sectors as well. So what are we about? Well, we aim to resolve your workplace conflict swiftly and sustainably in order to restore and even improve your productivity. Conflict at work is inevitable, but it can often be a healthy and creative process. New ideas, innovations, solutions and even stronger professional relationships can emerge when the dust has settled after a disagreement or a debate. But all too often, a minor disagreement or misunderstanding can escalate over time into something far, far worse, much worse than the incident or the situation that caused it. And then things can turn sour. Productivity goes down, folks begin to take time off or take sides, they get ill, and the workplace can become toxic. People start to avoid each other and focus on their perceived grievance rather than their role. You may have been there yourself or witnessed this kind of thing, or even had to deal with it as a line manager. And you'll know that it can spread throughout the school or the office, the workshop, the lab, the hospital, or wherever the workplace is, even within online communities. And impacts can be significant. A person who is on the receiving end of incivility can have their cognitive function reduced by up to 60%, and this affects their decision making and their rational thought. And managers spend on average 9 days dealing with a workplace conflict. And in severe cases, a grievance can cost over £20,000, even before legal fees. People don't choose conflict. They find themselves there and sometimes need a little help and support to move forwards. So we offer a confidential and non-judgmental, structured framework to do just that. Over the course of a day, we meet with each party separately to really understand their story. We then facilitate a meeting with both parties where each person can safely express their point of view and their needs. We then support both parties in finding a practical way forward together, a joint agreement, a solution that's sustainable because they've worked it out for themselves. The process is voluntary. People have to want to address their challenge and commit to working towards a resolution. We know it's not easy, especially if the grievance or conflict has become habitual. However, we would suggest that the costs emotionally, financially, and in terms of productivity of not addressing conflict will be far, far higher. So please do get in touch to find out if we can help.